Hi, everyone. I'm Mrs. Watson, um, and this is just a little bit about me. This is my family. I know it may be silly to include my dogs in my family, but they are our babies, and we tend to love boxers, and so we have a collection of them. These are all girls: Delilah, Oakley, and Sasha, and we just love them to death. So I have four kiddos. I'm married. My daughter actually got married over the summer, and then these are my two older boys and then my baby. My husband and I have been married for we're going on 22 years, and we live here in Belton. So just a little bit about me. I love to travel. I love to read and write. I love to watch movies, and I dabble in photography a little bit. But that's just a little bit about things I like. So my background is I have an associate's degree in at-risk youth from CTC, a bachelor's in psychology from Excelsior College, my master's in fine arts in writing from Arcadia University, which is located in Pennsylvania. I have a certificate in book publishing from the University of Denver. I've been a journalist and a public educator, and I have one published picture book called Otto's Poison Discovery. I currently teach 8th grade ELA and reading intervention for 6th, 7th, and 8th grades and dyslexia. And this is my second year here at South Belton. So this year, as you can see, it looks a whole lot different than any other year. We're kind of, I think we have all, I'm sure we all think that this year is probably crazier than we ever imagined it would ever be. The students who come to school have to wear face masks. I have to wear a face mask too. We all have to wear face masks. It just helps keep us all healthy, and then staying 6 feet apart and making sure we clean our desks and all that stuff. One of the other big changes is the fact that we are doing pretty much everything through our computers. And so all the lessons that I will have will be all through the computer. I will not hand them any pieces of paper or pencils. I'm working on, at least for my lab classes, I have some books that the community is donating. And so they will each have their own book. And then for ELA, we have enough for a class set. And so we won't have to worry about sharing books. And then after they're done with the books have to quarantine for about 5 days. But other than that, all of the lessons will be loaded on Schoology. This is just one of the, like just a sample of what it looks like. You won't see these things here if they look grayed out. These are, and it says unpublished. I haven't posted them yet. So they only will see resources, remote learners, week 1 and week 2. And I'm probably going to move the remote learner folder. I know I've kind of moved it a little bit different places, but I'm trying to find the best way to navigate to it. And sometimes it just means playing with it a little bit. So I appreciate your patience on that. And so, yeah, so your student can find that. If they click this arrow here, it will show them all the things, the days of the week. If you click it, it's going to show you the days that we meet together. So that way, if they aren't sure if this is A day or B day work, they can just click that arrow and it could show them what days we'll be together in the classroom and what days will be remote learning days, which are Wednesdays. So most of us teachers have made our own little Bitmoji classroom and our own Bitmoji teacher image. This is mine. This is Delilah. You met her on one of those previous slides. We just try to dress it up and have a little fun. If you have not signed up for our classroom remind, each classroom, don't sign up using this one unless your student is in my 6th period ELA class, because these are specific to class. So if you're not sure which one yours is, have your student log into my course for my class period, and that information will be there and you can sign up that way. The students will be working primarily out of their digital notebook, so they know to click on this little icon, and it will take them straight to their digital notebook, and their assignments and things are put into there. This replaces things that, like regular paper that we would have in the classroom. So anything that we read, write, or do will be pretty much in this digital notebook, aside from some group discussions and things. So from our virtual learners, one thing that's very important, and I don't see everybody doing this, is to make sure that you do attendance. These slides are located in that remote learner folder. And then this slide here, all they have to do is click this icon, and it will take them to a little Google form that they have to fill out. It's the same questions every day, and I'm sure that they probably get tired of answering the same questions. But it helps us to know that they're doing okay at home, that they don't need anything from me, and that they are in attendance. If I don't get that from them, or if I don't see some form of engagement, which it would be much, make the process much easier if everybody would just follow, do the attendance, this form, then it will be easier for me to find out who's present and who's not. If I don't see that, then you will be marked absent for the day. So to contact me, the fastest way to reach me is my email address right here, or you can message me through Schoology. I try to be really fast with that, especially for my remote learners or my virtual learners. I try to be pretty fast with that. I do Zooms. If I'm able to do them, I will hold a Zoom. And if for some reason your student's not able to attend a Zoom at that time, I try to record it and then post it on Schoology in the remote learning folder, so that way they can go back and watch it later. Also, again, you can text me through the Remind app. If you download the app and then register your child's course through those instructions, then you can text me anytime and I'll be able to reach or respond to you. This number here is for the classroom. It doesn't ring during school hours, but it will go to voicemail, and you can leave me a message and I will get that on my email, so I will be able to see it. I think that's all. I'm real sad I don't get to meet you guys in person, and I hope that you will reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.